So my name is Amin. I specialize in e-commerce growth strategy, and I usually serve businesses looking for growth in their e-commerce business, and especially people who got their own brands and they are like pure play customers. Like that means that they don't have any brick and mortar business. So to be more specific, this is my specialization, and I have my own digital agency. It's Liquid Stars. It's based in Los Angeles. I learned Simplilearn somewhere like 2-3 years back. Uh, I saw there was a university like University of UCSD, University of California, San Diego. They are offering a product management course, and I was looking for some course where I can get certified in product management from a university, not like any institute or something. Because I know that when I go through university, I'll definitely get trainer who are like well acquainted, and the course should be very structured, and the alumni should be amazing. So yeah, I discovered them like a couple of years back. Then I was comparing many different product management courses, but I feel this to be more convenient for me because it was basically on the weekend program, and I saw the course curriculum and the faculty resume or faculty credential was very amazing. So I got attracted to the course, and then eventually I signed up. So of course, like when I enrolled for the course, my main objective was to understand the course at a holistic, like what is the life cycle of product management, what are the challenges, what are the experience the professional would come across, and like a case study, things like that. So I believe this course was mixed of, like, it was a very holistic course. There was a case study. There was also a couple of lectures from industry professionals, which were amazing. And itself, the trainer was herself very professional from a product development background. And so that was the holistic part. But when I finished the course, I thought that I realized that it's not the end of the journey, but it's like a beginning of the journey, because there were many components or modules what we learned from product development course. And like one of the module which I'm very closely following this day is design thinking. And again, every module has their own like a big scope, and I'm just picking up one of the scope for now, which is design thinking. And I'm moving in, becoming more specialized in that area also. It brings us a discipline, like, when in past, when I used to do any product development or merchandising, I would say like it's not a product development, but still it's kind of, it has the same product development life cycle. So we were not disciplined, but now after doing the product development course, I got all those forms and processes and the life cycle. So I'm more disciplined in that direction, and I can see, since I'm disciplined, I can also see the impact and the reports that how this product is working in different direction as per the profitability is concerned, as per the customer satisfaction is concerned, and as per the life cycle is concerned. So you have to make sure that the product life cycle is followed from initial phase to the retrospective, like to the end, that how you experience your product development life cycle and what you achieve from it. So yeah, it gives you more discipline as compared to in past what I was like doing at ad hoc basics. I think product development is very important for everybody, because this is required in education, because in education also, when you are a teacher, it's like a product for you when you are teaching to the students, and you learn the product development so that you can have a discipline in your curriculum development, teaching the students and looking at the feedback, taking the feedback into the action, and again the same life cycle and the design thinking and all those modules. So I believe product development is, I would say it's must for everybody, and they shouldn't let it go. It's just like doing MS Office in past, and product development will be like obvious thing which you will be required to do in your everyday skills.